Okay, we are at 8940 Park Boulevard for unit number A. Bear with me, I'm on a very steep roof. Also, a whole bunch of lawn equipment is here. They're cutting the grass below me. So, anyways, I'm at the base of the main 3-inch stack on the roof. We're underneath the house now, it's cast iron. Complaint here is that they keep having backups. So I'm going to take a look. It's holding a little bit of water. The camera head is extremely small and low, so we can see that we're already pushing some debris, waste, and toilet paper. The scaling here is very little to none. In other words, the sewer pipe cast iron here looks to be in good condition. Got some friends on the line, so that's going to be a combo that we're jumping into, a 45. Now we should be going out the house here momentarily. Yeah, nice and round, looks good. I see some residual toilet paper being stuck on the side of the pipe. On the bottom right there, the little white fluffy stuff. I'm curious to see to where the cleanout's going to be, which I honestly wonder if that's it right there. It's very possible, but I'm going to keep going. We're going through what looks like a 45. Difficult to push because of the turns that I've been making. So to help me get further, what I'm going to do is have the homeowner here run a whole bunch of water so that way I can try to get my camera out as far as I can. So this looks like the end of the road for me. This is coming up on another turn. I'm approximately 68 feet out, 67.5 feet out. It's an extremely long run. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go pull back until I run to see what looks like a clean out, locate that spot so they could get a clean out put in, because clearly it looks like the problem that they keep experiencing is definitely not going to be underneath the house. It's just going to be because of the distance and or type of toilet paper. And we can see we got some waste rolling down the line. Cast iron itself, the condition appears to be in good condition. I don't see a reason for it to get, dug up or replaced. Okay, so sorry you had to see all the locating screen, so disregard that last big chunk. So I've located where this is. This is where the cleanout is. It's going to be exiting the back. So now we know where the sewer exits the back. I'll put a pink flag on the ground to take note. It is 2B deep. She's running a little bit of water right now, so you can see it's really not holding any water at all. The pitch of this pipe is perfect. The roundness is perfect. Cast iron debris slash scaling is little to none. Coming up back to that branch line for the bathroom. That's on the left-hand side of the house. This is where both the bathrooms are, and you can see it's in perfect shape.